Apple announces shop with specialist over video feature for buying an iPhone.
That's not bad, eh?
Is it?
Since we've been talking about AI and how it's going to take over, Apple did the opposite, and it's just like...
Well, to be fair, Apple doesn't know what the hell they're doing with AI. So.
Let's just add more humans.
So they're like...
Which is, it's nice. It's nice to hear.
Apple today announced that customers in the U.S. can now connect with an Apple specialist over a live video session while shopping for an iPhone on the company's online store. With this new service, customers can learn about the latest iPhone models and features, switching to iOS, trade-in offers, carrier deals, and finance. I want to try this because I want to know, did they have like a warehouse full of people in video sets just sitting there?
Yeah, because that looks really good.
But that's got to be green screen, right? It's meant to look like an Apple store.
Yeah.
I want to get to the bottom of it. I want a Netflix documentary on this. It'll never happen. Okay, are you doing it right now?
No, but Jesus. You should.
It's terrifying.
Do it live.
Need shopping help. Well, actually, you don't even have the option, right? Oh, sign in with us online. Available between 5 a.m. and 8 p.m. Pacific. Oh, no. Sorry, that's sign language.
They also do sign language.
Sign with us online or call us, but you actually don't have the video conference option. Maybe
it's a U.S. thing.
Non-Canadiana yet. Shop with a specialist over video is available from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Pacific time every day on the Shop iPhone page on Apple's website. During the one-way session, Apple says the retail employee will be on camera sharing their screen, but they will not be able to see the customer. Apple promises that the video session is safe and secure. So you see them, they don't see you.
Okay.
That's to keep from you doing anything shady, Will, and making people uncomfortable. You understand? Yeah. You show up there with your Costco wholesale drip. They're not ready for it.
Yeah.
With Shop with a Specialist over video, our team members are excited to connect with customers and provide exceptional service as they learn about which iPhone suits them best. This is from the head of the Apple online store, Karen Rasmussen. Listen, I don't mind it. I see like senior citizens using this where they can't really get out, yet they also don't know what they want. And maybe they don't watch as many YouTube videos or shorts or whatever, and they don't want to do a massive investigation. They're like, I've had this phone forever.
And they always like talking.
They love talking, right?
Back in my day.
Well, what it is there's only a limited number of things that are going to happen during the day, and this becomes an event.
Yes.
They're like, well, I'm going to call up. I'm going to be talking.
Doing the web chat.
Yes, later on. And they can talk about it then for 2 weeks after as well. They could be like, well,
to all their friends, yeah.
What you got to do is you just get on the live chat on Apple's iPhone purchase page, and they'll talk you right through it. They'll help you pick a color and everything else. Because for you or I just want to buy the thing as fast as possible. Yeah. I'm not going to talk to anyone, especially on the iPhone page. Maybe previously on like a MacBook order page, because there's a few more configuration options. Maybe that's more likely, but even the number of configuration options is way down now. I just think back to when you may have bought a Mac Pro and had been able to spec it with multiple GPUs and have questions about which RAM you can use, if you want to upgrade it at a later date. Can I buy third-party RAM? Like these type of questions seem more useful for me, but even that, you can find all these answers online if you really want to look. This is more of a convenience thing, I think, for people who, like you said, want to be talked through it.
Yeah, good on them.
And it might save some family members from having to be that tech support. If you've ever experienced that, where they're like, no, I'll go on the website and I'll just talk to Will instead. I'll call up my grandson Will, or something along those lines.